Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to take our next geography lesson, means as a revision purpose, location and extent. This lesson for exam, it is important lesson for exam because this lesson uh, means in exam paper there is 6 marks for this topic. Okay, and that's why you have to study means properly this topic. There is many objective type of questions also, for example answer in one sentence or name the following, like this way type of questions are there. And also there is short note and answer in detail questions. Okay, answer in detail also, and some questions are means related to name the following or answer in one sentence. Means answer in one sentence, there will be means which hemisphere India is situated, or Brazil is, which hemisphere Brazil is situated, which parallels of latitude pass through Brazil, how many union territories are there in India. Okay, and by which name in the southernmost point of India is known. For fill in the blanks also these questions are important. Okay, and some questions means here it is, see here is given the maps of Brazil and India. Means here is given second largest populated country in the world. Means these are the important points for answer in one sentence or answer fill in the blanks or match the following. Famous dance of Brazil is samba dance, and Brazil is known as coffee pot of the world. And which is the popular game in Brazil? Football. And in India, cricket is the popular sport. And India is famous for spices in the world. Okay. And India is the second largest populated country in the world. Means these are the important points for answer in one sentence, fill in the blanks. Then India is also republic country and Brazil is also republic country. And India's capital everyone know, New Delhi. Brazil's capital is Brasilia. And this question means location, extent and boundaries of Brazil. Okay, means latitudinal extent of India is 8.4 minute north latitude to 37 means 37 degrees 6 minute north latitude. And which is the southernmost point of India? Indira Point. Okay, and means this Indira Point is located Nicobar Island at the 6 degree 45 minute latitude. Okay, it is the latitudinal extent of India, and longitudinal extent means 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. It is a longitudinal extent of India. Also there is Brazil's latitudinal extent 5 degree 15 minute north to 33 degree 45 minute south. It is the latitudinal extent. And longitudinal extent of Brazil is 34 degree 45 minute. Okay, 34 degree 45 minute west to 73 degree 48 minute west. It is the longitudinal extent of Brazil. Okay, means like this way there will be maybe possibility of this question, latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India and Brazil. Also one more important question means similarities between India and Brazil. What is the similarities? Okay, means both the countries were under the foreign rule for many years. Both the countries have republic type of government. Okay, means both the countries have republic type of government. Also there is Means both the countries face various type of difficulties after independent, and both the countries are considered to be an important global market today. Okay, means like this way there is a similarities between India and Brazil. And historical background, also this question is, and means historical background as well as current status of Brazil and India. Means Brazil was under the rule of Portuguese and India was under the rule of British. Okay, means Brazil is under the rule of Portuguese for more than 3 centuries, and Brazil got independence on 7th September 1822. Okay, and India got means independent in 15 August 1948. Okay, means like this way there is a historical background. Means India is under the British rule means 1.5 century. Okay, and in the late 20th century Brazil had faced many financial difficulties and they overcome from these financial difficulties easily, successfully. It is the current status of Brazil, and Brazil is seen as one of the important countries which contribute to economic growth of the world and major global market in future. India also there is major global market in future, and also India is now means going to the developed country. Okay, means these are the means historical background and current status of India and Brazil. Okay, means these questions are important in this topic. Okay, also this map here is given means states of Brazil. We have to means see properly which is the biggest state of Brazil, which is the smallest state of Brazil. Okay, these questions are also important, and which are the means countries, which are the states which are located in the means eastern side of Brazil, northeastern and southeastern part of Brazil. You have to study this map properly, what is the name of this state, where is this state, because these states are important for to fill in the map. Okay, like this way you have to study of this topic. Okay, thank you.